Welcome back. Today I'll be highlighting a piece of functionality that's built into the inventory management system. This is something you may come across when adding criteria for a new listing, specifically the manufacturer. To simulate this function, I'll access the dashboard from my control center. From there, just click Create New Listing found within the Quick Links section. More often than not, you will complete this criteria from top to bottom. But in rare instances, you may not find the manufacturer you're seeking from this drop-down menu. That is because when an equipment type is actively selected, the manufacturer list is automatically filtered, leaving only the manufacturers that have been associated with that equipment type within the My Little Salesman database. This is an intentional function that keeps the database more precise and organized. For a visual example, let's say you're listing a 1996 Ford New Holland tractor. Naturally, you'd select farm equipment as the equipment type, and then tractors as the category. As you begin to type Ford New Holland into the manufacturer field, you'll find that the two applicable options are Ford and New Holland, neither of which you're looking to use. In a case like this, we highly recommend that you remove the criteria you've entered and start with the manufacturer field. That way, you'll be pulling from the complete list of manufacturers within our database. This time, when you type Ford into this field, Ford New Holland populates the drop-down menu. From here, go ahead and complete your other fields to publish your listing. So, if you ever experience difficulty finding the correct manufacturer in the midst of creating a new listing, just be sure to browse the entire database by starting with the manufacturer field. If you have any follow-up questions or feedback regarding this functionality, we'd be happy to hear from you. Just give us a call at 1-877-808-4804. From all of us at My Little Salesman, thank you for your time and business.